How you doing? My name is Frederica Kaiser, and the company that I chose is Apple. Apple was founded on April 1st, 1976 by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. They had an idea for people to have access to computers in their homes and office. The first product that was created by Apple was the Apple I computer, which was created in Steve Jobs' garage. The two created the Apple II product. This product allowed them to gross $117 million. In the 1980s through 1990, Apple had reached its peak at that time. After its peak was reached, the company started to take a slight hit. So they had to think of some innovative product to keep their company afloat and to keep the consumers engaged. The different products that Apple have today are the Macs, which is the MacBook Pro, the MacBook Air, the iMac, and the iMac Pro. These are personal computers that can be used at your use. They also have the iPod and the iPod Touch. This gives you the ability to listen to music on the go. You have the Apple Watch, which involves fitness benefits as well as it tracks your health. They have the Apple TV. AirPods are wireless headphones, and now they have the Air Max Pros, and then they also have the different accessories that you can use to customize the products that you have. Apple's manufacturing goes like this. It's designed in the US, and then the suppliers outside of the US bring the products to life. Their main supplier is in Asia. To create a computer in Apple's product list, they use a multi-ton cylinder of aluminum. Then there's a warming process which molds the aluminum, and then a pressing process that creates the final dimensions for the computer. Then there's a CNC machine that shaves the excess of the computer. It cuts the holes in for the keyboard. There are lasers used for the speakers, for the grill holes, and LED backlight display for the computer to show. The process cost system tracks the cost of production. This is used for a mass production for iPhones and iPads for Apple. Apple uses this to track the cost per unit during the assembly process, testing, packaging, and distribution of each product. Job cost order is manufacturing cost of productions. This is used for custom or less standardized productions, which is accumulated by individual jobs or batches. These systems together are used to track the production costs, managing inventory, and pricing products correctly. Apple has many competitors. They are competitors with Lenovo, which involves personal computers and phones. HP is another competitor that they have, HP has a global presence, making affordable computer products. Dell is their main competitor for desktops. They also are in competition with Samsung, which I feel like is their main competitor. Samsung is 20% of the global market, while Apple is 14%. They are also competitors of Sony, Microsoft, Google, LG, and many other companies out there. But to this day, Apple still prevails and still is one of the top brands out here that a lot of people would prefer because of the quality and performance that each device holds.